guys, welcome to this episode of Trail Camera Journals. Thanks so much for tuning in to see what we got moving in the woods. We're here at the bait site for the bears, right here behind me. As always, bear poop everywhere, and I got a camera full of 3 gig worth of videos at 10-second videos a piece. That's a lot of video, so I can't wait to check that out. So in the meantime, while I'm downloading, let's get the bait site refilled. Video, I quickly filled up the bait barrel again, got the oil put on. All right guys, here's the exciting part. Let's go check out what I got going on at the deer site. This is crazy. Well guys, that is this episode of Trail Camera Journals. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a crazy week. Hiking in the Bay of Fundy this weekend, getting home yesterday, to running out, moving the cameras around to get the spy point pointed in the right location. We've got crazy action at the deer site and the bear site. What the heck? I got a 6-point buck that roaming around here. That's insane. I didn't realize there were deer in this area. I didn't see any signs at all, but wandering bucks, what can you say? So listen, this has been an exciting episode. So glad you guys are enjoying them. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share the videos around. Love to get more viewers and to get more subscribers. And that's it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching my Spy Point Trail Camera Journals. Really appreciate bringing them to you. Have yourselves a great day. Be safe out there this hunting season.